Dunkin Summer Camp. I'm excited to know what we're doing. We're gonna cook, I think. I don't know. See you later.
I prefer cream.
You can also check the cream. Girl has like
Okay, roll the donut, roll the donut. You have to ensure that the donut will not stick in the roller. You have to add some flour. Just help them.
I'm good.
Okay, you have to roll it perfectly.
Like
Let me see. Yes, perfect. Put some pressure.
This side?
Yeah. Have like this. Like this, yeah? 1, 2, 3.
Mini donuts!
It's at the pool.
Everyone's crazy!
Okay, let me see your meat. You have to be careful, yeah? Okay, donut, and then yes, this one, yes, you have the rest. And now you just have to
You made that.
have to do the other one.
Teacher.
Yes. Okay, now start putting your sprinkle. Decorate your signature donut. Now decorate your signature donut.
Nalagay sa may face.
Sure. First sprinkle. Take a sprinkle. No, first sprinkle.
I don't need any gummy bears.
It's your choice. It's fine.
Yes, I think.
Okay, I'll give you more gummy bears. You can try the gummy bears if you want to.
Please blur my
Decorate
face.
with the gummy bear. This is your favorite, yeah?
I'm covering your face.
You can decorate with the gummy bears if you want to. It's your choice. In our donut, we put at least 6 pieces of gummy bears on top of our gummy bear donut.
Dad, this the dad.
Okay, hold on. Min, hold on. Why did you decide? Just close later. Just close later. You have to show it.
Okay, go.